Hello, my name is Simona. I'm crochet designer and I will show you how to make a stitch, the pattern that looks like this. This is gonna be a placemat. This is the main part of the placemat, and then I will make the sides, additional sides to finish it. So how I'm making the one of the rows, mainly it is combining two different rounds. So this is the bad side, and on the bad side I made single crochet. I will show you later how I'm doing. Now I will start another row. I'm doing that by chaining 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm turning the work to the other side. This is the good side of my project, and right here I'm using, by the way, natural cotton string, cotton twine. It's 1.5 or 2 millimeters thin, and I'm using 4 millimeters crochet hook. So what I'm doing now, so I chained 3. Now I will skip 2 stitches, this one and this one, and to this one, to the third stitch, I will make 5 double crochet. In one stitch I will make it 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is our pattern. Now I will make double crochet. I will skip 2 stitches again, and to the third one I will make 1 double crochet, like this. Now I will repeat the same as I did right here. I will skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and to the third one I will make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, in the same stitch I'm doing everything, 3, 4, and the last one, 5. So we made 5 double crochet. Now 1 double crochet, skipping again 2 stitches, so 1, 2, to the third one. Right here I will make 1 double crochet, and I am repeating this all the round. Once again, skip 2 stitches, and to the third one let's make 5 double crochet. So you have to repeat this in one round all the time. 5 double crochet in one stitch, 1 double crochet, and every time we are skipping 2 stitches. I'm almost at the end of this round that I showed you. So I made 5 double crochet, skipped 2 stitches, I made 1 double crochet. Now to finish it, I will skip 2 stitches, and in the next one I will make only 2 double crochet in one stitch. The first one, and the second one also in the same stitch, and the last stitch is double crochet in the next stitch, just like this. And this is the end of this round. Now I will show you what I'm making for the next round. Chain 1, turn the work to the other side, and right here we will make single crochet only in the loop that is in front of you. So we will start in this stitch right here. We're taking only the front loop and single crochet, only the front loop, stitch by stitch, only in one stitch. These are the main 2 loops, but we are not crocheting in both of them. We are taking only the one that is in front of us and making single crochet all the round, just like this. And I will show you why I'm doing it. You can see from this side, this loop is staying in front, and it gets like really nice pattern, making separate the lines. So I really like it, so I'm crocheting only in the front loop, so this one in the good side would be visible. What else? Another tip that I'm making, you can see here is 5 double crochet, then single crochet, and in the next round on the top of 5 double crochet I'm making 1 double crochet. So it's like a chess: 5 double crochet, 5 double crochet, 5 5 5 5, and then on the next round I will make single crochet, and on the top of that I will make double crochet and double crochet on right here. So double crochet, 5 double, 5 double, 5 double, 5 double. It's like a chess table right here. So I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and watch my other video tutorials too.